This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the digital potential of the country is immense, and with the help of mobile technology, poor and vulnerable sections of society have been provided help during the COVID-19 pandemic. He said that India would launch the world's biggest COVID-19 vaccination drive with the help of mobile technology. Addressing the 4th edition of India Mobile Congress, Modi said benefits worth billions of dollars have been provided to millions of Indians. The centre has taken steps to develop the aviation infrastructure in the Northeast. Talking to AIR Regional Executive Director Northeast of Airport Authority of India, M. Suresh, said that efforts are on to make 10 non-operationalized airports to be operationalized. Suresh further said that new heliports are coming up in Assam, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh. He said that respective state governments and power hands are extending support in this effort. The new terminal air in Guwahati, to be completed in March 2022, will have 14 million passengers handling capacity per year, he added. Suresh further mentioned that initiative is being taken to start a water aerodrome in Assam. Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik yesterday held a review meeting on centrally sponsored schemes for Northeast and West Jaintia Hills district in Jowai. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, the governor said the holding of review meeting was important to have the first-hand information about the implementation of the central schemes. In this review meeting, Deputy Commissioner of both East and West Jaintia Hills, Superintendent of Police of the two districts and other officials were also present during the review meeting. Meghalaya government has issued the SOP for reopening of tourism in the state. As per the SOP, first of all, tourists visiting the state would have to either download the Meghalaya Tourism app for registration and receiving an e-invite or contact a tour operator who can register on their behalf. Once the process is completed, the tourists will receive an e-invite which will have to be shown at the entry checkpoint along with a COVID negative certificate. In Tripura, the number of active cases of COVID-19 is showing a declining trend. The number of positive cases is also on the decreasing trend. During the last 24 hours, only 6 fresh cases of coronavirus infections were recorded, while 15 infected people recovered. According to the State Health Bulletin, so far 32,102 patients infected with the virus have been cured out of the total 32,897 positive cases recorded so far. Till yesterday, the number of active cases has dropped down to 399. The state has recorded further improvement in recovery rate, standing at 97.65% as of today. Meghalaya reported 2 more deaths due to COVID-19 yesterday, both from East Khasi Hills district, and with this the death toll in the state has mounted to 122. The Director of Health Services informed that 98 new COVID-19 positive cases were also reported, while 113 more persons have recovered from the disease. The state has 602 active COVID-19 cases, while a total of 11,686 people have recovered. The total number of confirmed cases stands at 12,410. So far, there are 33 containment zones across Meghalaya, and the death rate stands at 0.98%. The opposition Congress in Meghalaya yesterday expressed solidarity with the farmers who are protesting against Farmers' Bill. The Meghalaya Congress Pradesh Committee organized a protest demonstration at Congress Bhavan in Shillong to show their solidarity to the agitating farmers. Congress legislator and senior leader Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdo said the Congress will support the people's rights. She said that despite the pandemic, they could still come to support the farmers' rights. Nagaland yesterday reported 61 positive cases of COVID-19, taking the total caseload to 11,479. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangnupom in a tweet said 35 cases have been detected from Kohima, Dimapur 22 and 2 each from Wokha and Zohin Boto. Besides, 8 positive patients have also recovered from the infection, 5 from Kohima and 3 from Peren, including 1 death reported from Kohima. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.